try to understand what makes a difference in successful entrepreneur and an unsuccessful entrepreneur is this part which we call competencies. In Hindi it is called क्षमता. आप में वो क्षमता, वो पोटेंशियल, वो आप में कॉम्पिटेंसी हैं जो आपको एक बिजनेस रन करने में मदद रूप हो. If you have a competency which can build your business, you can take your business to next level. If you do not have those competencies, you will stuck up to one level. क्यों? कि जो आपको आता है वो तो आपको आता है, जो नहीं आता है वो आपको नहीं आता है. Whatever you know, you know. Whatever you don't know, you have to learn. You have to understand that. You have to be aware of those things. So competence is how good you are at something. आप जो भी चीज करते हो, आप वो चीज को कितना अच्छा करते हो, बहुत अच्छे से कर लेते हो, एक्सेलेंटली करते हो, that is your competence. And confidence is how good you think you are at something. कॉन्फिडेंस की अगर हम बात करें तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस वो होता है जो आपको बताता है कि आपको सोच आती है कि आप ये चीज कर सकते हैं. टू डू समथिंग यू नीड टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस. वंस यू आर हैविंग अ कॉन्फिडेंस, आपको एक सोच आती है कि आप ये चीज अच्छा कर लेते हो, आप अच्छा कर सकते हो, आपने किया नहीं भी हो, आप कर सकते हो. एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने से पहले, बिजनेसमैन बनने से पहले एक ये सोच उनके दिमाग में आई होगी कि ये चीज मैं अच्छे से कर सकता हूं. जैसे ये चीज आती है, आप अपने बिजनेस की तरफ बढ़ते हो और आप अपना बिजनेस लॉन्च करते हो. तो कॉन्फिडेंस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट इट इज नॉट ओनली कॉन्फिडेंस which will make you successful in your business. It is the competence which will help you be successful in business. And वो जो competencies हैं, वो IIM वालों के जो faculties हैं, maybe they have the skill, competency of teaching. They can teach very well. एक बिजनेसमैन बिजनेस कर रहा है, सक्सेसफुल है, वो शायद वो टीच नहीं कर पाए किसी को, बट IIM faculties will be having that competence of teaching, but they may not have the competency of running the business. So what it takes to become a successful businessman is the competencies which they have. And competencies is how competencies is built. Let me tell you how competencies is built. First thing, you should have the knowledge about what you are doing. आप जब बिजनेस करते हो, आपको बिजनेस का नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. जो भी हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे ना, whatever we are going to discuss today, we will be focusing on to be aware of what all things you need to be successful in your business. So knowledge होना बहुत जरूरी है. If you are not aware of things, you will get surprises. You will get surprises. आप जो सोच रहे थे उसके सिवाय अगर कुछ और हुआ तो that is surprise for you. Means you are not aware of those surprises. अगर आप कहीं आज स्टकअप हो रहे हो, that means you are not aware of those things. There may be things like things which are in your control and things which are not in your control. There are things like that. I can understand fully. Corona Kal, nobody was aware of that. So it was not like, कोरोना से किसी को पता नहीं था इसलिए उनका सक्सेस नहीं हुआ. It is not like that. There are things which are in your control. There are things which are not in your control. आपको अवेयरनेस होना जरूरी है. Once you are aware of the gaps which are there in your business, you will try to gain the knowledge of how to overcome those gaps. Once you are aware of things, You have built that competency. You have built that knowledge. And then you implement those things. You will never get surprises in that area. So there are lot many areas in your business which you need to understand, which we will be talking about in the later chapters in this webinar, where we will be talking about 8 different principles of business, 8 different concepts of business which you need to be aware of. All right. So once you are aware of those things, you will not get the surprises. You will know that, yes, I was aware of these things and I know how to tackle this thing. Once you are aware, more than 50% of your job is completed. So knowledge is important, right? How many of you think knowledge is important? Please write KIP. And if you feel knowledge is not important, write KINP. Please, I would like you to give it in a chat box. KIP or KINP. Knowledge is important or knowledge is not important. Come on, I'm giving you another 30 seconds. Please, fast. There is lot many things which are going to come. I am feeling that vibes here, You are really getting something. You are really getting something out of this webinar. I would like you to also keep on writing, keep on noting the things. Knowledge is important or knowledge is not important. Please. Comment in the chat box. Yes, fast. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Second, practice. Again, before that, let me tell you, knowledge is power. Majority of you people agree to that knowledge is power, but try to understand one thing. Applied knowledge is more powerful. Applied knowledge is more powerful. Having the knowledge is not only important. Attending this webinar or attending the different various courses is not important if you are not going to apply those knowledge. Very key point. Please note it down. I would like you to take away this one point at least till time. Yes, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is more powerful. So, seeing the videos, getting motivated, all those things are good. It is must. I am very blunt many a times, but yes, it is all for the good of everyone. Knowledge is power, but yes, applied knowledge is more powerful. So whatever knowledge you are gaining, please apply that in your business. The first thing, whatever knowledge you get, plan how you are going to deliver those things to your team in your business, right? That will really help you. It has helped me a lot. Today also, I am being coached by many people. It is not that I am at this position because of my own learning, because of classroom trainings and all. No. Today also, I am investing in myself. I keep on gaining knowledge. I have mentors which are even younger than me, having around 10 years of experience. But then again, yes, they have the knowledge of the subject. Yes. Why you feel that IIM graduates after coming from IIM, they build big enterprises? How they are making so big enterprises? They do not have any experience, but still they are very successful. Very successful people. Lot many examples you can find. I would not like to, discuss all those things here that I know everybody would be knowing it. But why they are successful, Have you ever thought of that? Why they are successful? Please comment. Okay. Why IIM graduates become successful in the business? Please comment. Give your comment in the comment box. 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds I'm going to give you. Any one point which you find, makes them successful in their business. Great. Good. I'm seeing a lot of involvement. I want this. Yes, I want this. You need to be involved. You need to take the maximum out of this webinar. Whatever investment you have done, I want you to take more than that. I will be the most happiest person if you have learned from this webinar. Yes. So, what one point I would like to address here, IIM people, they have done lot many research. They have brought lot many clarity in their thinking. They have studied about different areas of business and they have done the case studies. They have gone through various case studies. They have done lot of brainstorming. They have interviewed lot many businessmen. They know about their mindset. Why they have done all these things? To be aware, so that there are no surprises and they know what all need to be done. So knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is more powerful. The moment they are out of their graduation, they never join company, they open their own company and then they become successful. Lot many of my friends, they are IIM graduates, and then what they do, they 2 to 3 IIM graduates join together and then they open their own enterprise and then they make it big. Why? Because they have done lot many brainstorming sessions before opening the enterprise. They have done lot many studies. They understand about the market. They understand about the mindset, customer life cycle. They understand about the products, which products works, which product do not work, why they work, why they do not work. They have done lot many research in that. And after that, they launch their company. So knowledge is power, but yes, applied knowledge is more powerful. Second comes practice. Practice makes perfect, right? Practice makes man perfect. Practice makes perfect. PMP. Practice makes perfect. You need to implement things. You need to do it again and again to become excellent in whatever you are doing. It is practice makes people perfect. Practice makes you perfect. So write, please comment. If you agree to this, practice makes perfect, PMP. Or if you don't agree, practice do not make perfect, PNMP. Please write. Again, 10 seconds. Yes. Please check. Give your comment in the chat. Whether you agree, PMP. If you don't agree, PNMP. Practice makes perfect. Today, I am in front of you doing this webinar. I have been doing it since long. Why I am able to give this webinar? Because I am practicing it a lot. Right? I know how to do it. I have the knowledge, yes, that is there, but then still I am practicing it. I have delivered lot many webinars. I've done keynotes. I have attended the seminars. I have hosted the seminars. There is a business booster program which I used to do before lockdown. That is my signature program, Business Booster, where I used to give presentation in front of businessmen. Today it is a digital world. I'm doing seminars. I'm doing webinar on web, right? So practice makes you perfect. You keep on practicing, you become more perfect. But try to understand, you need to do the right practice. Whatever you are doing, if you are doing good practice, you will become successful because you will master that good thing. If you are doing the wrong thing, you are doing it again and again, you become master of doing wrong things. And that too again and again. So you become excellent in doing wrong things wrongly. So it is very important. You need to practice, but practice it in a right way. Have a right practice. Practice right things, which is good for your business. You need to implement those things which are good for your business, and doing it again and again makes you excellent in doing that. So practice makes perfect. And one more point, please note it down if you can. Practice, what does practice do? Practice does not bring you success. It improves the probability of making you successful. It increases your probability of getting success. It is not necessary if you are practicing everything and you are becoming successful. No, it is not that way. But yes, The probability of your success is 100% more than not doing practice. So very important, have the knowledge, practice it so that you become excellent of whatever you are doing. But one more point which is there, which will make you do practice again and again. You fail, you again do it. You fail, you again do it. You fail, you again do it. It is the will to do it. What is that will? अरे आपकी इच्छा तो होनी चाहिए. It is about the will which really makes the difference. Why I am doing, webinars? Since lockdown, I am doing webinars. Why? It is not that I was successful every time. In my initial days, there were hardly few people in my webinar, but it didn't bog me down, right? I had the will that, yes, this is the way, I need to do it. I had the knowledge. I was implementing those knowledge in my webinar. I was doing it again and again. But what was that one thing which was making me do it again and again, irrespective of what level of success I was getting? But I was doing it again and again. It was the will. There are many people I have seen, they do business and they become unsuccessful in that and they leave it. There may be somebody who has tried one more time, start a different business, another business, failed, left the business, and again joined the job and doing it. It is the will to make the things what he has dreamed, what he has thought of, what he wished to do, right? And that will is the thing which makes a difference. A person who is unsuccessful and person who is successful in his business. See, everybody has his or her own definition of success. For someone, success may be earning 1 lakh rupees in a month. For someone, success may be earning 25,000 in a month. It varies from person to person. For someone, success is having a good meal. For someone, success is if he can drive a good luxurious car. Right? So it varies from person to person. But to become successful, if he do not have will, he cannot continue in practicing, in growing against every odds, because there are going to be obstacles. But you will overcome those obstacles only when you are ready to fight. You fall, you again get up, you again fight. What is the one basic difference from a good to great is good is the enemy of a great. Good is enemy of greatness. If you start feeling that you are doing good, you will not make it great. The moment you say, no, this is not enough, there is definitely a scope of greatness in every stage, right? So that is the thing which is called will, which makes you go to greatness. And to become an excellence in whatever you are doing, will plays a very important role. And there is a philosophy of 10,000 hours of practice, which brings excellence in you, which brings that level of greatness. 10,000 hour principle. You know what is 10,000 hour? If you do 10,000 of efforts every day, around 300 days in a year, it comes to around 3,000 hours in a year. Around 3 to 3.5 years of your efforts of 10 hours day in, day out brings that excellence in you. If you think, okay, I tried this for 6 months, I tried this for 1 year, and if you leave, you have not done enough practice. You're not putting that level of effort, that level of inputs which is required to get that excellence which is required to become successful. So be ready. Be ready, because nothing is easy, man. I can say this. After my 25, 26 years of my experience, I can say nothing is easy. You have to slog. 3 years I was like lost in my entrepreneurial journey. When I started in the year 2012, it was like I'm not doing the things which I made for. I'm not doing that thing. I keep on practicing. I keep on investing. I keep on doing inputs. I keep on developing my knowledge, growing my knowledge, talking to people, making mentors, mentoring also. Because I believe in the triangle, you learn, you do, and you teach. You have to learn first, then do what you have learned, and then you need to also preach people. You also teach people. That is the way which you also need to imbibe in your business. There are a lot many people in your business. You need to learn. You need to do. You need to implement those things in your business. You need to teach your people. You need to drive your people how to deliver these things. Make that an habit. That is success principle. Yes, write it down. 3 things. You learn, you do it, and you teach others also, which exactly I'm doing. I have learned something. I have done that. I have my own enterprises, 5 enterprises running successfully. And then, I'm also teaching how to make your business successful. So, will plays a very important role. Please comment if you agree to that. Yes, there is a concept which is called TTH. TTH, 10,000 hours. 10,000 hours of efforts you have to put to become an excellent performer. Comment, yes, right. TTH, 10,000 hours of the efforts which you need to put to make the business successful, to make it great. You may be doing good business, yes, but then again, as I told you, good is the enemy of great, and you need to be aware of that. So beware of those things. Good. Acha chal raha hai. No, nothing is like acha jabardast chal raha hai. It is great. It is great. It is going great. और क्या चल रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है बिजनेस? या ठीक चल रहा है ना? ठीक ठाक चाहिए नहीं हमको. There is nothing like ठीक. It is always superb, jabardast. I'm doing great. So whenever now you are asked, how is your day? Say it is great. Because first of all, if you think it is great, you will do with what is great. So will plays a very important role to become a great successful businessman. For that, definitely 10,000 hours of efforts is definitely required. Until you have done 10,000 hours of efforts in your business, in growing it to next level, in bringing that level of greatness in your business, you should not quit. You should not quit. Yes. And for that, yes, your will is required. So you have knowledge, you are practicing it again and again, putting 10,000 hours, that build the level of competencies which makes you great in whatever you do. So always, always, always develop your competencies, and you will be successful in your business. Right, I am knowing there is lot of heat coming up, but it happens. It's okay. It's okay. I also went through these phases, and many mentors also explained me things, and out of mind, it was really out of box. But yes, it is there. And you may also feel, but yes, be aware of things. This session will be more about getting the awareness. Once you are aware, you will gain the knowledge to overcome those obstacles. And then once you are able to do it again and again. And if you fail, do it again and again. you should always have at the back of your mind that you want to make it a big success. Knowledge, practice, and you should have the will to do it again and again, irrespective of whatever challenges you are facing, and make it a big. So competency is the main area which makes a businessman successful in whatever he does.